The transmitter and receiver need to be connected before use. First, turn on the transmitter. The blue light will stay on after powering on. Turn on the receiver. The blue light will flash quickly, indicating that it has entered the frequency matching mode. Press and hold the frequency matching button on the transmitter for at least 3 seconds until the blue light flash and then release. The blue light on our receiver has changed from flashing quickly to staying on constantly, indicating that it has successfully connected. When many receivers need to be connected to transmitter, simply repeat the above steps for each receiver. After turning on the receiver, press and hold the frequency matching button on the transmitter for at least 3 seconds until the blue light flash and then release. Now you will see the blue lights on both receivers staying on constantly, indicating successful connection, and you can start using them normally for speaking and listening. 1. Please note that after the receiver is turned on, the blue light will flash quickly for 90 seconds before entering standby mode, so frequency matching must be completed within 90 seconds. 2. If receivers has already been connected with transmitter successfully, its connection will not be affected when the transmitter matches with other receivers. 3. After successful connection, the transmitter and receivers will automatically connect when turned on next time. No need to connect again. 4. When different groups need to be connected, do the connection one group by one group. Try to avoid different transmitters matching with receivers at the same time.